we offer the same motorcycles, we offer the same parts, we offer the same clothing that every single dealership does. The difference is my team. We have, hands down, the best service department in the country. Our team is full of 5 master technicians, second to none. I really believe that what we can provide, others can't.
This is probably one of the most successful dealerships that I've ever worked for. The team that he's assembled and the structure and processes that we have to take care of our clients, unsurpassed.
We have 5 master techs here. I think the average is 0.5, and that's just unheard of. That means when a customer brings their bike to us, they can be assured that it's going to get worked on correctly and get done right.
The number one thing I get the greatest enjoyment out of is watching our guests ring the bell after they purchase a new motorcycle. To see the smile on their face, knowing that they just purchased their first bike, that's exactly why I get out of bed every day.